Okay, let's do a quick unboxing of this wemo Mini Wi-Fi smart plug. Um, that's the only name or number identification I can find on this thing, is that it's called a Mini. And this one was kind of a neat deal. It came for $5 when I bought one of the Edition 3, the third generation Echo Dots. And for an extra $5, they threw this in. Now, it's kind of clunky for a single outlet, but you know, for $5 for a smart switch, who am I to complain, right? So here it is. Now the unboxing, we just slide this open. It comes in a pretty nice, neat little package. When you flip the top open, it kind of gets a little exciting. Okay, get ready. Get set, and boom, there it comes. There it is. There it is, this plug. Okay, also right here under the get set, right at the top, there's a little cutout tab here. And you can pull out the instruction manual from there. Okay. Now, the unit is, like I said, it's kind of big and clunky, but it has the on-off switch here, and this little light right above the on-off switch is the one that you're going to watch when it's ready to be paired with the app or what have you, if it's operating or not in the on or off position. And so the instructions are like this. It's kind of neat. First, get the app. There we go. Get the app. And don't open it, just download the app. You can find it in in the Apple Store or wherever you buy get your free app downloads. Okay, don't open it, just download it. Then the next thing is they want us to go ahead and plug this in to the wall, and I'm going to do that. Now when I do it, the little light here is going to start blinking right above the on-off switch. And it's going to blink white for, I don't know, 20 or 30 seconds. And then it will start blinking amber. And that's when we go to the next frame. So the hard part, plug it in and wait. The light's still blinking white right now as I look. And so we'll go on to see what the next step is going to be. Once it does flash amber, then we're going to go into our settings and we're going to hook up to it through the Wi-Fi. Okay, now the light is blinking white and amber. So let's go ahead and go to our telephones and go into the settings section on our phones. And you'll find a new Wi-Fi there that is the Mini. So in mine, I just was going to pull this up real quickly so I could tell you exactly how it reads in mine. And it comes up as mini dot something. Okay, so after you go ahead and you join that network, you're going to then connect to the app. Now, once you open the app, it's actually really easy from there, and it goes through some real standard setup steps, and it talks to you along. So it goes along with the standard setup stuff, and it gives you tips along the way to make sure that you do it properly. It was actually really easy, and the switches work as advertised, the plug switches.